Hey everybody, welcome to IncomeSmasher. Today we're going to go over how to promote your YouTube channel. And if you can stay to the end, we're going to go over the top way or the best ways to promote your YouTube channel so you can get a ton of visitors. All right. YouTube's a big thing right now. If you're just starting a channel or you've started the channel, in the last year or so, I know it's tough to get followers, tough to get people to, get your view time up. Same thing with me, man. I've started in the last year, kind of did some research on this to give you the best ways, to really promote your channel. So let's just dive right in. So as a, YouTuber, what you can do since you're new is collaborate with other YouTubers, right? So find other people that are in the same niche or do the same thing. Maybe like I signed up for a course on how to set up YouTube and how to do everything. And in that course, they have a Facebook group, and then a lot of those people, we help each other and give advice, and you can ask for advice. So that's one good way. Um, Now that YouTube, it's called YouTube Mastery, and the course that I took, I'll put in the description if you're interested in checking it out, if it's something you want to do. It's helped me out, and it could help you out too. Another thing is when you set up your YouTube channel, you want to make sure you do the proper SEO, title, description. You got to make sure that you get everything right on your video. It's so easy just to set up the back end and do it correctly. And then it allows people to find your video, so they can watch it. If they can't find your video, they're not going to watch you. So make sure you get the right title, description, keywords. Make sure when you start your video, you talk about the keywords for your video. Like when I started this one, I said, hey, here's a video on how to promote your YouTube channel. And if you stay to the end, we're going to give you the best ways to promote your YouTube channel. So see, I put the keyword in there a couple times, promote your YouTube channel, right? So that the algorithm picks it up and I can get better ranking for this video. So a couple other things you can do. You can promote yours video on Twitter if you have a Twitter account. Now, if you don't have one, maybe you should set up one. I have one. I just started it for this business I'm running, so I don't have a lot of followers. But, if you look here, you can just come out here and set up your Twitter account and then start adding followers. And then every time you do a video, you can post your video, tweet about it, say, hey, I got a new video up, check it out. It's on, how to promote your YouTube channel. So that's a great way to do it. Another one you can do is, on your social media accounts, if you put that out there, we've got a couple others like Reddit and Facebook. If you do Reddit and Facebook and you do Twitter and these different social media platforms and you put your video out there, make sure if somebody comes and comments on it, or even if they comment on your YouTube channel, make sure you respond back. So you want to engage with your clients or your customers and make sure that they feel like they're welcomed, and then hopefully they subscribe and then they sign up and then they watch more and more of your videos. That's the key, right? So you can also check out Reddit. And like I said, Facebook, if you have a Facebook account, make sure you share it there. Another one that you want to look at is Facebook groups, right? So if you look over here at Facebook groups, I'm on a bunch of different groups. We interact together, talking about SEO, talking about, growing YouTube channels, growing our niche websites. And so it's a great place to share information, find information, and then maybe you produce a video and it's something you think your group would like, and you can share that with them, and then that allows them to come over, check out your video, check out your website, and it adds more traffic. Now, one thing you do not want to do is you do not want to sign up for a group and just start spamming all your stuff and say, hey, check this out, check this out, check this out, and not add any value to the group. Because if you do that, they're going to ban you because you're like a troll. So, you can also promote, like I said, on Reddit. So I have a Reddit account, IncomeSmasher, see, and then you share your information there. Hopefully, maybe, whatever you produce on your YouTube channel is really popular and Reddit votes it up and you get a lot of views. So it's a great way to do it. Another one is Instagram. Now I don't have an Instagram account, but I know a lot of people use Instagram to share their videos or share their information. And it's a great way to get people back to your website or back to your YouTube channel. And so I told you if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you some of the best ways to really, drive traffic and do really well. And really, one of the best ways is just don't quit. And also just keep making videos. You could make video after video after video and you're getting like 1 or 2 people watching it and you only got like 100 hours of watch time and you've been doing it for like 4 months and you only got 20 people subscribed and you're like, this is useless. I'm just going to quit, right? And here's what I'm going to tell you, right? This is the key. Mr. Beast, the #1 YouTuber in the world, right? He's one of the top YouTubers makes the most money. I think he makes $1 million a month. His first 5 years, he made nothing, no money, had to grow it for 5 years before he got super popular. Now, can you really think that you can last 5 years like not making a ton of money, not doing really well, not having a ton of followers, and then all of a sudden, shoot up to #1 and he stuck with it, right? And that's the thing. You have to stick with it. Are you able to do that? Or are you going to quit? Like, are you going to quit after 6 months, be like, I only got 50 subscribers. I only got 100 subscribers. I only have 100 hours of watch time. This isn't working for me. I'm going to quit. Are you going to tweak your videos, tweak the way you present it, tweak what you do so that you find what people are looking for, and then once you deliver and you start ramping up your channel and you start getting more and more views and more hours watched, then it was all worth it. But you have to stick with it and you have to get better as time goes on, and it will hit. You just got to keep at it. Keep producing 1 or 2 videos a week, like Mr. Beast did, and then sooner or later you can make it big. And if he would have quit, he wouldn't be making $1 million a month now. He would be, I don't know, whatever he did in life before this. And so that's one of the things you got to really look at is, do you have the stamina to make it in this industry and keep producing videos no matter what until you figure out the formula and figure it out, and some of your stuff starts hitting big, and then you start getting a bunch of subscribers and you start being popular, you start getting in the algorithm for YouTube, and you do really, really well. And you just have to be consistent, right? Consistency is another key. You can't make a video 1 week, wait 3 weeks later, make another video, wait 2 weeks later, another video, then 1 week you do another video. We post videos every week. And I used to do 2 videos a week. Now I do 1 video a week. I might go back to 2, but I do 1 video a week. Usually on Tuesday, I always publish a video. And that is what you need to do to become successful and to promote your YouTube channel and to really get it to grow.